Nilagang Baboy. Oh, this one is a must try. It's a pork cutlets simmered in broth, of course, with some Petchay, which is Bok Choy, and some cabbages and corn, of course. It's so good. Yes, it's perfect. And with chili oil and fish sauce, oh yeah, you gotta have this. We'll have chili oil on the end screen later, alright? Yeah, so let's start. Here's some pork cutlets, corn, and an onion, and so a whole head of garlic, yes, and bok choy and cabbage and a potato. Now we cut up the corn. Of course, you see the beef broth, pork broth cube. Yep, it's ready. All right, we gotta let this boil. You gotta boil this for at least 30 minutes, ideally 40 minutes, so that the pork is like super tender. So we're gonna boil this for now. Yep, cover it. We sit back, come back to it in 40 minutes, and at the Viki will cut the bok choy, the cabbage, the potatoes. It's been boiling, alright? Yep, wait for 40 minutes, and now here, alright? It's been boiling good. Oh, the smell is so good. Now we put the corn. This is about like, a good 15 minutes. It's already cooked, but, we're gonna let it stay there for a while. So it's gonna incorporate the good taste. Yes, and cover it again. Wait, she almost forgot. The knorr pork cubes. Just for the added taste, to elevate the broth. It's gonna be so good. Right there. We let it sit there for 15 minutes. Let it boil some more and get good and soft. And you check it now. Yes, here the potatoes and the bok choy, the petchay, and the cabbage all cut up and ready. Yes, now she's gonna put some fish sauce instead of salt. This is about 4 spoons. She already knows the measurement. She goes with by the feel. It's always spot on. Just so for salt, it's about 4 spoons of fish sauce. We're actually doing this live. See, I'll pin the comment of the link of the live video later. So we got a bunch of live what Ativiki is cooking. It's gonna be pinned later. So we're removing some of the corn so that it won't be so crowded. Because I was talking to Ativiki, we need a bit of good space so that it'll be looking good on the thumbnail. So it'll be presentable. So now we put in the potatoes, because that takes longer than the cabbage and the petchay. So we just leave this for like about good 5 to 10 minutes until it's all good. Now here it is. Oh yeah. Now we put the cabbage and the petchay or bok choy. They're not the same, but it's like really close, almost the same. So yes, she's getting it. Now the petchay will probably cook in like less than 2 minutes covered. So we're gonna cover this for a minute and then mix it well. Then let it sit for another minute, and then it's ready to serve. It's that simple and that quick. So let's cover this for a minute. I'm just tasting it. Eggs is waiting. It's like, what about for me? I'm like, Eggsy, you get your own dog food later, all right? Don't worry. So now we let it sit for a minute. Here it is. Now we mix it good so that it gets incorporated all together and start to look pleasant. Yes, there you go. Oh, it's looking good now. Yeah. Perfect. I told that to Vicky, we need to show a bit of meat with the pork, potatoes, and the corn, so that on the thumbnail it's gonna look good. And we decided to put the corn back because there's still space. It's not too crowded, and plus it's gonna look really good, right? Oh yeah, look at that. Now it's done. Yes, cover it. Yes, and now here, look at this. Oh, it looks so good, right? Yes, the pork nilagang baboy is really awesome. Yes, this is worth doing. You gotta try this. It's gonna be so good. Yep. And here, look at that. Serving it up. Here, you can click here for the chili oil because it's perfect with the fish sauce. Oh, look at this. The soup is so amazing. Yes, here's the chili oil. On the end screen, you can click it. Yes, Time for a good lunch, right? Yeah. Thanks for watching and subscribe so you can check out all the other good stuff here, all right? Yeah.